What you need to do is be thankful for the life you got, you know what I'm saying? Stop looking at what you ain't got, start being thankful for what you do got. Let's get it to him, baby girl. Hey! That's right.
You steady chasing that big car, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no aratás, just live your life. Don't tell them where to take ya, just live your life. Cause I'm a big buck chaser, just living my life. My life, my life, my life, just living my life. My life, my life, my life, just living my life.
Never mind what haters say, ignore them till they fade away. Amazing they ain't good, but after all the game I gave away. Safe to say I paved the way to be up to 80 days. Really was my name to way now that I come the same. Hey, consider what my goal is. I done got that nation way. Instead of being rushed to buy, I made it amazing way. I never feel like it, still I love my name. Please don't say it's so good, it's only till you walk on late. It ain't just like you want your hands in the air and you say, bring on this side anyway. If I just made a statement, immaculately polished with the spirit of a hustler and the swagger of a college kid. Allergic to the counterfeit, impartial to the politics, articulate, but still a grab a nigga by the collar quick. Whoever having problems with their record sales, just holler till. If that don't work and all else fails, then turn around and follow till. I got love for the game, but hey, I'm not in love with all of it. Could do without the fame. The rappers nowadays are comedy. The hooting and the hollering, back and forth with the arguing. Where you from, who you know, what you making, what kind of car you in. Seems as though you lost sight of what's important when depositing the checks into your bank account and you up out of poverty. Your values is in disarray, prioritizing horribly. Unhappy with your riches cause you're piss poor morally. Ignoring all prior advice and forewarning, and we mighty full of ourselves all of a sudden, aren't we?